morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned will the world come to an end. The lesson was completed in our last class. I hope you all understood the lesson. Today we will discuss some question answers based on this lesson. In speech practice in 1.1, read the passage aloud with proper emotion and stress and tone. In 1.2, the word civilization rhymes with many other words like civilization ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವನನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Civilization rhymes with many other words like cultivation, explanation, nation, fashion, emotion, etc. Next, in 1.3, practice the sound F. As in, there are some words, they are all the practice of F letter. As in food, fear, few, fat, fan, fail, feel, fast, leaf, half, safe, cough, off, life, proof, wolf, bluff, stiff, safe, dwarf, rough, sofa, suffer, offer, refuse, four, fans, feel, fine. All these words are pronounced it as F letter, starting with F letter. Practice the difference between F and P. Here there are some words are given. We have to practice the F and P letter. Fan, pan, fan, pat, fun, pun, fast, past, fail, pale, faint, paint. Learn the difference between the sounds F and V. Practice saying the following pairs of words: fast, vast, fan, van, few, view, fail, veil, feel, wheel, ferry, very fast, leaf, leave, proof, prove, safe, save, surf, serve, very vast, 4 vans and 5 fans. Next, in 1.4, the word shall is used several times in the prediction by the Hindus. The letters sh is pronounced as in ship, shoe, shine. This sound is different from the first sound in sip. Try and say ship, sip, shave, save, shelf, self, shame, same, see, she. Next, in 1.5, pronounce the words properly. Approach, prophecy, transition, resistance, acceptance, determine, tranquility, amazing, predicted, recognized. Next, in 1.6, use a dictionary and find the meaning of the words given in the list above. There are some words given in above. We have to find out the meanings of above words. Above words means approach, prophecy, transition, resistance. We have to find out the use and meanings of dictionary. In dictionary, approach means, in our last class we have already learnt and we have already discussed the meanings, the word and with their meanings. Now also we have to know some words are given. Once again I will repeat the words with their meanings. First word is approach. Approach means, in dictionary meaning, to move or become near. Next word is prophecy. Prophecy means a state of statement that something will happen in the future. We call it as prophecy. Next word is transition. Transition means, I already told you in simple way, you have to tell that change. In dictionary meaning, transition means a change from one state or condition to another. Resistance means refusal to accept something new or different. Acceptance means approval. Next, determine means decide. Tranquility means calmness or peace, calm and peace. Next, amazing means surprising, or another meaning is wonder. Next word is prediction or predicted. It means to know. Recognized means to identify. All these are words with their meanings. Next, in 1.7 there are some tongue twisters. We can't pronounce it easily. We call it as tongue twisters. Some examples are given here. First one, if a woodchuck would chuck for an hour, how much would the woodchuck chuck? Next one, a canner can anything he can, but he can't can he? Next, third example is, a big black bug bit a big black bear on his big black nose. Betty brought some butter, but the butter was bitter. But a bit of better butter will make the butter better. Next example is, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper, but where is the pack of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? Next example is, 3 grey geese in the green field grazing. We surely shall see the sun shining. All these are examples of tongue twisters. In our next class, we will go through the question and answer. Thank you.